Hi, my name is Alexa Mare. I am currently a senior planning to graduate this December 2023. I will be earning a bachelor's degree in general studies with a concentration of applied sciences. So, with that, I obviously am not a kinesiology major, but the reason that I'm taking this course is because I need a computer literacy credit, and I have always been fond of kinesiology. My older sister graduated from UL kinesiology, and I worked actually in the kinesiology building for quite a few years. I worked at the front desk with rec sports. I worked the fitness counter. I helped many students go find their kinesiology classes, even though I never took them. But I've always been fond of the program. Know most of the teachers, not all, but some. Um, but I am very excited for this class. I need a little help with my technology skills. They're a little lacking. So I'm very excited for this semester. I saw one other person, maybe a few people are general studies majors, so I'm excited to learn from this course. All right.